closed. So I don't know how to get to the waterfall. But I bet there's another way, right? Like you can just walk there instead of driving there. I'll find my way. Stubborn, you know. Pause the music for a while. Look at that road, man. Doesn't look bad in this video, but trust me, in real life it looks shit. Okay, didn't hit anything, so that's good. So I'm all strapped up, ready to do my impromptu hiking. There's another car here. I don't know, probably stop here because the road's getting worse. Could just drive down there actually, but I feel like the road is a little bit too bad for my car. So I just had to leave it there, parking. I'm not gonna take the risk to drive down there. But seriously, the road has been so steep and so rough for the car. So I did not want to take that risk. Might as well just take a short little hike. Yeah, I don't know where I'm getting now actually, but I saw this one bridge on the map crossing over the river, and I thought there might be a path from there to hike to the waterfall. I hope so. If not, then I have to return back to the car and drive somewhere else, I guess. I have no idea where I'm going actually. Really that strong. But I'm here. Not bad. This is very nice. And here, like a spot. Might as well get a view, get a video. This is too much.
Dance happy on the beat.
safe. Still have 39% left.
Boy, down south here on the beat.
On the miles.
Not bad.